Do you know what you're missing out on if you're not eating pineapple? It's more than just a delicious tropical fruit. Pineapple, with its distinctive spiky crown and sweet tangy flesh, is a favorite among fruit enthusiasts worldwide. But there's more to this fruit than its delightful taste and exotic charm. Originating from South America, this fruit has traveled far and wide, spreading its tropical charisma and health benefits to every corner of the globe. It's no wonder that pineapple has found its place in different cuisines, cocktails, desserts, and even as a popular pizza topping, sparking a never-ending debate. But amidst the culinary adventures, the true worth of this fruit often goes unnoticed. Pineapple is not just a tropical treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that can boost your health in surprising ways. It's these hidden layers of benefits that turn the pineapple into a paradoxical fruit. On one hand, it's a common ingredient in our kitchens. On the other, it's an unsung hero of our health. But wait, before you start imagining yourself on a sunny beach sipping a pineapple smoothie, we're here to tell you that there's more. The pineapple paradox doesn't end at being a nutrient powerhouse. There's a whole world of potential health benefits that this spiky fruit holds within its tough exterior. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, from promoting eye health to providing anti-inflammatory benefits, pineapple has got it all. However, the full extent of these benefits is often overshadowed by the fruit's popularity as a sweet treat. It's high time we shifted our focus from pineapple's taste to its health benefits, from its tropical allure to its medical potential. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? To explore the pineapple paradox and uncover the true potential of this tropical marvel? Stay tuned as we peel back the layers and delve into the juicy details of pineapple's impressive health benefits. Pineapples aren't just delicious, they're also packed with a variety of health benefits. Yes, this tropical delight is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a friend to your body. Let's take a dive into the world of pineapples and see what makes them a truly remarkable fruit. You see, pineapples are a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. They're rich in vitamin C and manganese, both of which are known for their immune-boosting properties. These nutrients work in tandem to protect your body from harmful bacteria and viruses, keeping you healthy, happy, and ready to take on the world. But the goodness of pineapples doesn't stop at boosting your immunity. They also play a crucial role in aiding digestion. Pineapples contain a unique enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down proteins and makes them easier for your body to absorb. This not only ensures you're getting the most out of your meals, but also helps prevent issues like bloating and indigestion. But wait, there's more. Pineapples are also excellent for your eyes. They're packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene, two nutrients that are key to maintaining good vision and eye health. Regular consumption of pineapples can help stave off age-related vision problems, keeping your eyes sharp and healthy. Beyond these, pineapples are a bountiful source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help fight off harmful free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage. This makes pineapples a great addition to your diet if you're looking to promote overall well-being. And the best part? All these benefits come in a package that's low in calories and free from fat and cholesterol. That's right, pineapples are as good for your waistline as they are for your health. With all these health benefits, it's clear that pineapples are a powerhouse of nutrition. But how can you incorporate them into your diet? Now that we know the health benefits of pineapples, let's explore some delicious ways to add them to your meals. Pineapples are incredibly versatile and can fit into almost any meal of the day. For breakfast, consider adding fresh pineapple chunks to your yogurt or cereal. It's a great way to kickstart your day with a burst of tropical flavor and a healthy dose of vitamins. Lunch could be a refreshing pineapple salad. Combine pineapple chunks with your favorite greens, some grilled chicken or tofu, a sprinkling of nuts or seeds, and a light dressing. The pineapple adds a sweet, tangy twist that will make your salad anything but ordinary. As for dinner, pineapple can be a perfect companion for your proteins. A slice of pineapple with grilled chicken or fish is a classic combination. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try a pineapple salsa with your tacos or a pineapple chutney with your curry. The tangy sweetness of the pineapple can balance out spicier flavors beautifully. And let's not forget about snacks and desserts. Pineapple makes a great addition to smoothies, giving them a tropical twist. You can also dip pineapple slices in dark chocolate for a healthier dessert option, or use them in baking. Pineapple muffins, anyone? Drinks are another area where pineapples shine. Fresh pineapple juice is a classic, but you can also use pineapples in homemade lemonades, iced teas, or even cocktails for those special occasions. Remember, while canned pineapple can be a convenient option, fresh pineapple will always give you the most health benefits. Plus, it tastes better. A great tip when buying pineapples is to choose ones that have a sweet smell at the base. This is a good indicator of ripeness. And once cut, you can store your pineapple chunks in the fridge for easy access throughout the week. With these ideas, you're well equipped to start adding more pineapple to your diet. But is there such a thing as too much pineapple? While pineapples are undeniably healthy, balance is key when it comes to any diet. That's right. As with any food, even something as nutritious as pineapple, there's a limit to how much you should consume. The recommended serving size for pineapple, according to dietary guidelines, is about 1 cup of chopped pineapple or 8 ounces of pineapple juice. This amount offers a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes without overdoing it. Now, you might be wondering, what happens if you eat too much pineapple? Well, pineapples contain a group of enzymes called bromelain, which can cause a tingling, sometimes even a burning sensation in your mouth if consumed in excess. This isn't harmful and usually subsides on its own, but it can be uncomfortable. In more extreme cases, eating too much pineapple might lead to digestive issues. The high fiber content, while beneficial in appropriate amounts, can cause bloating, gas, or even diarrhea if you overindulge. And let's not forget about the sugar content. Yes, it's natural sugar, but it still counts toward your daily intake. Consuming too much can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, which isn't ideal for anyone, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes. So, while it's tempting to dive headfirst into a juicy, sweet pineapple, it's important to remember that even a good thing can become not so good if you have too much of it. So, enjoy the health benefits of pineapple, but remember, moderation is key. There you have it, the pineapple, a tropical delight with a host of health benefits. We've peeled back the layers to reveal its nutritional bounty. We've also shown you how to incorporate it into your diet and cautioned about the fine line between enough and too much. Remember, balance is key. If you crave more such health wisdom, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.